Okay guys, this is the supplies you're gonna need. I got the hair at my local beauty supply store. I paid $12 for it. And it looks like that. And I got it at, what, 36 inches, but that's because my hair is just super long. And I got this at Walmart. I think this was like $3 or $4. But it has this grip on it, and that's kind of what you're looking for, something that has a nice grip to it. So this is actually the inside, and this is the outside. And this is the inside, and this is just the outside band. All right, and then you can just need some of these, optional, just to kind of lay everything out, and a needle and a thread. And that is it. So this is just one long strand, and I folded it to the length that I want to kind of match the headband. And now I'm just gonna sew all these 4 layers together. That way it'll be easier just to sew it on here. So I'm gonna sew it all together, and then I'm gonna just sew it on this band, and then I should be done. So you could see I didn't sew it all the way around. If that's what you want to do, you can do that. And I just sewed it like maybe a ½ an inch just around the headband. And it's not pretty, but I have some grip, and at the end I have the hair. So it's going to kind of help secure it. And don't worry about it looking pretty. Like, you're probably going to cover it up with something else. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Really, really quite easy. And I'm going to cut it to my hair length. I have to redo this video because it did not pick up any audio in what I was saying. So this is the finished product. And I'm just going to show you how to wear it. What you do is just take it like so, flip it, and then you just flip it over, and I'm gonna take out my real hair too, and this is how it's going to look. So there's a few things that you can do with this. If you're like me and you can't stitch, and you could see like the stitch lines, then you're gonna use like something to kind of cover it up. I tend to like these because it's really breathable. So let's just do this one. It's very, very small. It's much thinner. And it's right by now. And this just kind of covers it up. And my favorite thing to do is to use like one of these little things and then just attach the hair to the back. And this is like how I would just wear it. So, can you kind of see the bend? Let me show you the back. It's really long. So, yeah. I hope this tutorial really helps you. It's really easy. But, yeah, I mean, I really like it, and it works for any hair type, which is like the best thing ever. To make your own wig, you can have any type of hair, and you could just get weave that matches your hair. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.